Happy birthday! Whose birthday today?
Mommy,
Today is what?
October 8th.
October 8th. How old is your mom? How old?
I just know old my mom.
You did not ask her? You should ask your mom.
Flower
Mom.
is candy.
Yeah, it's a candy. Ask your mom. Mom, how old are you?
It's bomb. It tastes bomb. I need water
Why?
because that tastes bomb.
It tastes bad?
I need water.
Po?
Oh.
Ang arte. Oh. Ang arte niya. Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
Ano ba yung papayin sa susi?
I don't know.
Saan?
Lulu.
Why?
Lulu keeps biting me. Oh. I don't want this.
It tastes bad?
Yeah.
Lulu, do you like cake, Lulu?
Yup, take.
She wants to play with you. She wants to play with you.
We have no toy. Oh.
Oh, Lulu wants to play with you.
Lulu have no toy.
Oh, like that.
You got me.
See?
Ma!
Yes?
At kaya sabi na.
Okay, ingat.
Tapos ikaw rehistro na rin ako.
Diretso ka na? Diretso ka na, nak? Ingat ka, yung helmet mo.
I think I need a spoon. Spoon.
What food do you like?
I want spoon.
Spoon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll give you a spoon. Sit down. Sit down po. Sit down po. Muna. Lamang la. Ay, oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, be careful. It's Mommy's birthday. That's Mommy's birthday cake. You sing na happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Lulu.
Is Mommy Lulu?
Hmm?
Is your mommy's name Lulu?
Lulu, mommy look like Lulu.
Look like Lulu?
Yeah.
Oh, is Mommy a dog?
No, mommy.
Happy birthday, Penny. Happy birthday.
Lulu.
It's not Lulu's birthday.
It's
Lulu.
Lulu's birthday.
Is today your birthday, Lulu? Ow, 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 ow. No, it's not my birthday today, Mommy love. It's not my birthday today, Mommy love. Today is my mama Mama's birthday. Bien, bien. Ow, ow, ow. What about you? What can you say?
My name is Rosa, and it's Mommy Donkey birthday.
Mom's dog's birthday. No, that's wrong.
No, that one.
Which one? This
The
one?
rock.
This is my pet dog. This is my pet dog. Kobe! Kobe, Kobe,
And Coco.
Kobe. And this is Coco now. And no, this is Aicha.
This is Coco.
Aicha, I miss you na, Aicha. Kobe, I love you. Coco, my Coco. I'm so sad. I wanna cry. I wanna cry na. I love you, Meow. Aicha.
That's Meow is my pet.
Kobe.
Meow is my pet.
What?
Meow is my pet.
Is your pet?
Yeah.
Do you know who Meow is?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a dog.
It's a dog and
Yeah.
his color is
White.
white. Where is she now?
Dead.
She's dead. That's why I'm so sad. I have no dog na, Alonso. I have no dog. Wawa na, Mamila. What did you say again about Lulu?
Lulu is a birthday girl.
When she become pregnant and have a baby, what will you do?
Give it to Mamila.
You will give it to
You.
Mamila. All of the babies.
Yeah.
No one for you.
Only Lulu.
Only Lulu. Lulu is yours. All babies are mine.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Now you can live into the mother room you want.
I can bring it in Canada.
I think yeah.
You cannot see me na. I will go to Canada. You cannot see Mamila anymore.
I want to pick up me.
Get it, get it.
Dirty.
Yeah, put it on the sink. It's dirty na.
What?
Eat it without spoon.
It's a bug.
Oh, are you a dog? Don't eat like a dog. You can hold it and you can bite it.
I'm not eating like this. I eat it like this.
Ay, naku, Alonso ka. Pasaway ka. You're a stubborn child. Are you a stubborn child? Huh? Do you know what stubborn means? Huh? Do you know? Stubborn means you're not listening to the elders. You're doing wrong things. That's stubborn.
Lulu.
Is stubborn a good or a bad? Alonso, I'm asking you. Is stubborn good? Ay, shh. Get Lulu. He wants to go there and
Bad rubs.
again.
Bad rubs.
Wave your hand. Bye for now.
I for now.
I'm Alonso Kulit.
I'm also good. Bye-bye. I want to watch TV. Hey, where's the Bible? Oh, the web of this thing. On.
On.